Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I want to talk about how to use Moz SEO software or tool, and it's going to be part 4. In the last video, we have discussed about discovered and lost linking domains, right? And then in the part number 2, we have talked about top pages by links and top linking domains. And in part 1, we have discussed about the domain authority. And now in the part number 4, I'm going to talk about keywords by estimated clicks, top ranking keywords, and then these two elements. Now first I want to talk about keywords by estimated clicks. What do I mean? And this exact data will tell us which words people are typing in Google that send the most visitors to the website. And when it comes to the Amazon, people are searching for Amazon Prime and Amazon. Here we can see for Amazon Prime we do have 34 million visitors, and for Amazon we have 29 million visitors. And also the small terms like Amazon Books and Amazon Prime login, we do have few visitors, around 6 lakh each. I hope you understand what do I mean by keyword by estimated clicks. Now I want to talk about top ranking keywords. And these are the words where the website is showing up as number 1 on Google. And I want to give you an example. If someone searches for Amazon or maybe Amazon Prime or Amazon Smile, this particular website Amazon is the first result. Even for the jobs hiring near me, the website is number 1. Now when it comes to our business, Click and Capture Studio, in my case, we have to focus on words like wedding photography in Hyderabad, because the Click and Capture Studio main focus is on wedding photography, so that it will show up on Google on the very first when someone searches for wedding photography in Hyderabad. And also we have to think about the related keywords like maybe best wedding photographers or affordable photography packages, something like that. We have to try to create the content so that more people will find our website by using these words. Now quickly I want to navigate back to Moz SEO tool, and then I want to scroll down a little bit. And here we can see top featured snippets. I want to talk about it later, and then now I want to talk about branded keywords first. The branded keywords are the keywords which are directly related to the Amazon site's brand name. And here we can clearly see how many people are searching for the terms connected to the brand. The Amazon and Amazon Prime each have over 50 million searches every month, and these are the most popular keywords. And also we can see other brand terms like Amazon Music, Amazon Fresh. They still get the decent number of searches, around 2 lakh each, right? So this is the place where we can see the highest volume keywords which reflects the site's brand. Now finally I want to talk about top featured snippets in this particular video. Now when I say featured snippets, I want to give you an example. First I want to navigate to Google, and then I have searched for featured snippets, and then I have clicked on images. And here we can see, right, I want to open any one of the image, or maybe this particular image. So I will let you know what exactly is featured snippet. Featured snippets are those special answers that appears at the top of the Google search engine results inside a box. People will see them even before the regular search results. And when it comes to the Amazon, whenever someone is typing the keyword dropshipping on Google, this particular website, the Amazon content will appear in that special box on Google. I hope you understand, but I want to show you in live. And sometimes we do not see even if we search with the key term dropshipping. First I want to navigate to a new tab, and then I have searched for dropshipping, and then when I scroll down I do not see anything related to Amazon. But according to the Moz, here we can see the top featured snippet for Amazon is dropshipping. Why are we not able to see the Amazon website when we have searched exactly for the dropshipping? There are few different reasons, and I will give you a very clear understanding. Always remember that the very first reason is the featured snippets can change by location. Google will show different results in different regions. And then the second reason is going to be personalized search results. What does it mean? Imagine if you have signed into Google, your past searches and browsing history will affect at what you see. Maybe just in case if you have searched for dropshipping guides from other sites before Amazon, Google may show those websites instead of Amazon, and that is one of the reason. And also the third reason is going to be the search results can be different depending on whether we are using a computer or a mobile phone, and also the language or the region settings. Maybe if our Google is set to a specific region or language, it could show snippets that are most popular in that particular area. And also sometimes we do not see the exact Amazon snippet when we have searched for dropshipping, it is because of the algorithm updates. Google will constantly updates the algorithm so that the featured snippet may have changed. Since the report was generated, maybe another website might have taken the Amazon spot. And also there are few other tools like SEMrush and Ahrefs to verify who wants the featured snippet for dropshipping at our location. And I will be talking about those tools very shortly. But for now, I hope you clearly understand about top featured snippets, branded keywords, top ranking keywords, and then the keywords by estimated clicks. And by the way, if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself YouTube channel and find the playlist Digital Marketing, where I have did 100+ videos that are related to digital marketing, which will be very short and simple. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.